What's up, everybody? I had to get my daily elephant sighting in. No petting today, but I can stand up here and watch the elephants. That's still a good day. There's one over there. There's three over there. Look how cute they are. So this is a sanctuary. You don't get to ride them, you just get to feed them and pet them. That's awesome right there. That's the kind of sanctuary everybody wants. They're just free. Look, they won't leave that guy alone. That's pretty funny. Yeah, he must have food. Look at him. Yep, he's got food over there. Look how fast he can grab that food and put it in his mouth. Like, whoop. He like throws it in his mouth. It's always a good day if you can hang out with the elephants, really. I'll be happy just sitting up here. Snorkel, elephants, smoothies, massage. What else is there in this road? See you on the next elephant adventure.